Hi all, welcome once again to Learn News. Today in this tutorial we are going to show you how we are going to implement a Java project simply, and I am going to rather I have already done that. Uh, I have written a palindrome class, a simple class to check whether a particular message or thread stuff is a palindrome or not, and I have provided a JUnit test classes for corresponding class, and then following by that we are going to see how Java code coverage or Jacoco library, which is a free source library for Java, to check whether the code coverage, how the coverage, the test case coverage has been implemented, and what percentage of the test cases has been covered and what is left. So let us quickly come on to the IntelliJ. uh, Here I have written a palindrome class. With the help of a string builder, we are actually checking whether on reversing the particular message, that particular message is equal to its reversed version or not. On the basis of that, we are setting this flag as a true or false on the basis of that. And the corresponding test class I have written here. If we go, and we will see that in the palindrome test I have covered three scenarios, where first message is a blank one, and checking a message which is not a palindrome, and finally checking it with a message which is a palindrome. So I have written this three test classes, and if now in order to implement the Jacoco, in order to include that in the library, that particular library, you have to make certain changes in the pom.xml of your project. Let us quickly come over here. You will see that the only dependency that is present is the JUnit, which is version 4.13. This is JUnit 4, not JUnit 5. And once we come here, we have to add this build portion, where we are using this Jacoco Maven plugin and the corresponding version, and we are adding it. The version is 0.8.5, and let us quickly run it. So first thing that I'm going to execute is Maven test. So by using Maven test, you will be able to see something. It will execute the test classes, test packages, and as you can see, this here the test has been run with the help of the Maven Surefire plugin, and also the results are also highlighted over here. So the next command that we are going to run is Maven Jacoco report. Now before running this command, let me show you something. Here a target folder is created. Here let's see the target structure. What all the structures are there? This classes is there. This is that is the test classes that we have written, palindromes test class. And here test classes, that is the class of the test class that we have written, dot class files. And here you will find that the jacoco.exe executable for file has been pre-generated after we have gone for a Maven test. And in order to read the Jacoco execute class, we have to execute this command, Maven Jacoco report. Let us run it. And yes, the execution file has been analyzed, it's being loaded, and the entire bundle has been analyzed with one classes. Let us see over here. After running that particular command, you will find a site folder that has been created, and in the site folder you will find folder Jacoco, and inside that you will find maximum most of the files that are necessary for Jacoco resource to analyze the code coverage. So index.html, which is there, I will right click on this one, and I will try to open in browser. And once I open that one in browser, you will find that in the package wise, the coverage, that particular branch, what is the coverage percentage and everything. See, the palindrome class is there. In the palindrome class, it's 72% has been covered. And method wise as well, you will find out that what sort of methods, how much percentage has been covered. See, for this palindrome class, it's 100% is covered, and each palindrome 100% is also covered, but the main class is not covered. So once I click on this, you will find out that the green part shows that the test cases has been covered, but this main class, the test cases hasn't been covered because we haven't written any for that. So in this way you will be able to find the Jacoco report. One more thing I need to highlight here, that other than this Jacoco report, surefire reports are also available. If you click onto this and this txt file, if I open it, you will find that how many test cases has run and how many test cases are positive and how many are negative. On the basis of that, surefire plugin also provides the report in the form of an XML file. You can also find it over here in the XML format. If you want to post this particular data into some another component, on the basis of that, if a particular build is this particular build is being triggered, then only you can pass this test case. On the basis of that, you can do stuffs with this with the help of the test suite. So in this way we are going to implement the Jacoco library, and this concludes our session over here. Hope you're liking Learn News. Hope you're liking my tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, encourage me so that I can come up with new exciting tutorials. Thank you. Thanks a lot.